How to set any picture as background image on your desktop. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to easily change your background wallpaper on your desktop. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the very first thing you want to do is find the location of your picture that you want to set as a background. There are actually two methods. The first conventional method is you usually right click on your desktop and then click on personalize. It will take you to your settings, click on background, and if you want to choose any background image from here, you can choose that and it will be set as your background image. Or if you want to select a photo from your gallery, you can do that as well and it will be set as your background image. The other thing that you can do is just simply right click on any picture and then just set you'll have this option set as background. So just click right here and it will be set as your background. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.